Hello all. I just wanted to touch bases on assignment 1.9 in your MA112 syllabus. So for this assignment, I know that a lot of people don't have Microsoft Word because I do see it's 3 ways to do this, but I just want to show you a quick way to get to Google Sheets. Everybody should have a Ross email address, so we know that. So what I'm going to do is show you how to access that Google Sheets through your Ross email or any Google email. Oh, sorry. So first thing you want to do is sign into your Ross email or any Gmail account in these figures right here. Your Google Apps, those little dots, and then when you point on it, it's going to let you know that this is your Google Apps. You're going to click on the apps, and then you're going to hit Sheets. You're going to hit blank to add a new one, and there is your spreadsheet. And then from there, you can go and complete the actual assignment, what they're asking for you. So I hope this helps. If not, reach out to me in Canvas or through your Gmail or your Ross email. Thank you. Have a good day.